In this short tutorial, I'll take you through how to create categorical question groups and how these types of questions work. The first thing to be aware of is how question groups work on the Participant Hub. Each time you want to add a new question, you'll add what's called a question group. This is simply a group of questions of the same type. You can add just one question to a group or more if you'd like to. We have 4 different types of questions that you can add. Categorical questions appear to participants as a question with a list of options to select from to answer. They appear in a similar way to multiple choice questions, but the difference is for categorical groups, each question in the group will have the same list of options to respond with. For all categorical questions, our system creates pie charts and bar graphs to display the results. When you first create a categorical question group, you'll have the option to give your group a title, add text, which you can use to give your participants instructions, and add a media item if you'd like. Once you've added your information, click Update and you'll be brought to this page, where you can view the information you've just added and start to add questions. If you'd like to change the title, text, or media items associated with the question group, click on the pencil icon, which will take you back to this page. Make your changes and click Update. From here, you can also delete the question group and start again if you'd like to by clicking the bin icon. Click on the New Question button to get started with adding questions to your group. First, type in your question. Next, add in the options that participants can respond with. You can add more options by clicking the plus icon. You can remove options by clicking the minus icon. Once you've added all your options, you need to set how many responses you would like from each participant. Participants can answer with as few or as many responses as you choose. You can also make questions optional by unticking this box. As you can see, by clicking Save and Add, we've added another question to the group. Here, you can type in your next question. All other questions in the group will appear here on the right-hand side. As you can see, the options you added to the previous question appear, and you are unable to edit them at this level. This is because the options for all questions in a categorical group will remain the same. Shortly, I'll show you how you can amend these options. Once you've added all the questions you'd like to add, click on Save and you'll be taken to the Question Groups page. From here, you can go back and add another question. Clicking the arrow next to each question will open a drop-down for that question. This gives you information about the options you've included for the question, the minimum and maximum number of answers participants should give, and whether or not the question is optional. Clicking on Amend Group Values will take you to this page, where you can edit the options that participants have to respond with. Change the text in the text boxes to make changes, or use the minus icon to remove an option. To add another option, type it in the new entry box and click the plus icon. Click Update and Close to go back to the Question Groups page. From this page, you can also change the order of questions using the arrow icon to drag and drop. You can click the bin icon to delete a question. Once you're happy with that group of questions, you can add another by clicking on one of the buttons in the top panel. When you have more than one question group created, you can change the order of groups by using the arrow icon to drag and drop. For more information on the other types of question groups, check out the other video tutorials in our user guide.